Hello everyone. Today we will do another activity of chemistry. As per your syllabus, activity 5.5 is in your syllabus beta. So this activity is based on a very common process that you have already done at your homes. This activity you have already done. He said this activity is based that what favors the formation of solution. You know how solution is formed? When we add solute into solvent. Means solvent is a substance in which solute can dissolve. बेटा solvent जैसे कि water is a universal solvent. उसके अंदर solute जैसे कि for example you are taking sugar, salt, these are the solutes, right? When we add solute to the solvent, it becomes a solution. सल्यूट के अंदर, पानी के अंदर आपने चीनी को डिज़ोल्व कर दिया, देन इट बिकम्स अ सल्यूशन, राइट? सो इन दिस एक्टिविटी वी विल लर्न that a solute goes into solution more easily. It becomes more easily a solution if the mixture of the solute and solvent is stirred and heated. जब आप मिक्सचर को या तो आप हिलाओगे, स्टर करोगे, और when you will heat it. Activity is add a spoonful of sugar to water in a beaker or a glass. Take a glass, take a half glass of water, then add spoonful of sugar into it. When you will put sugar into water, it will not immediately dissolve it up. What you will do for that? You will stir it with spoon. If you want to dissolve sugar, you will stir it with spoon. आप उसको हिलाओगे चम्मच के साथ, and you will find that sugar dissolves, right? Next, now he said add another spoonful of sugar to the same solution. सेम उसी ग्लास में जिसमें आपने अभी अभी शुगर को डिज़ोल्व कराया है, add one more spoonful of sugar to the same. This time sugar will not readily dissolve even on stirring. जब आप उसको हिलाओगे तब भी वो जल्दी dissolve नहीं होगी. Then what we will do? He said heat a little and continue stirring. Start heating and continue stirring. उसको हिलाते भी रहो, उसको हल्का हल्का हीट करो. And the sugar will now readily go into solution. Means sugar will readily dissolve. So in general, we can say the formation of solution is favored by stirring and heating. Solution जो है जल्दी बन जाता है अगर आप उसको स्टर करते हो और सल्यूट डाल के, या फिर आप उसको हीट करोगे. गेटिंग बेटा? होप आप इस एक्टिविटी को समझ गए होंगे. If you still have any doubt, any query, you can ask me. Thank you. And one thing more, write this activity on your notebook and try to make one out of these two, one diagram also. Thank you.